Well, good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 o'clock. We have some humid and partly cloudy skies out there currently. We will have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon and a much better chance of showers and thunderstorms during the overnight time period of Friday into Saturday. Looking at the conditions the last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, we have seen temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s, fairly seasonable for this time of year across the region. Norfolk was the warm spot at 90 degrees. Here at Wallops, we were 88. Last night saw temperatures in the 70s for overnight lows. Baltimore was the cool spot at 70 degrees. Here at Wallops, we were 75. No precipitation last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing anywhere from mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies in general. Seeing temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s, and here at Wallops, we are 84 degrees under partly cloudy skies. In our sounding this morning as of 12Z, we had a freezing level at 14,800 feet. Our winds out of the southwest throughout the column today, and fairly light in the low levels, about 10 to 15 knots. Once we get up to 20 to 25,000 feet, we see our winds increase just a bit out of the west-southwest. A peak wind this morning at 20,000 feet at 30 knots. Looking at our surface analysis as of 12Z this morning, we have a stationary boundary that's currently across the central portions of the Mid-Atlantic region that's going to be moving through our region as a cold front as we get into the late evening hours and the overnight hours tonight, giving us a fairly good chance of showers and thunderstorms. We will have sea breeze interactions today with some daytime heating, giving us a possibility of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Looking at our surface observations as well as our radar and infrared satellite, you can see we have southwesterly to southerly winds this morning, giving us warm temperatures. We've already seen a heat index over 100 degrees this morning with a dew point at 79 degrees. That is very humid and very uncomfortable conditions across the area. Have a thunderstorm that's currently moving through the northern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula into New Jersey. Will continue to move off into the northeast states and not provide us with any rainfall, but we'll be watching some showers and thunderstorms possibly pop up along the coastal sections of the Delmarva Peninsula today, giving us a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, this is our Friday midday planner. Going to have fairly decent conditions overall, other than the slight chance we do see that pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Looking at our Friday night, we'll have this cold front starting to approach from the west, and that's going to give us our best chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some of those storms could produce some heavy rain, some gusty winds, as our amount of humidity across the region is quite high, as well as a little bit of shear in the atmosphere that could provide us with some stronger storms. Our Saturday AM planner looking like that cold front will be kind of still lagging across the Delmarva Peninsula, and then it will provide us with a slight chance of a shower still in the morning. Once we move in the afternoon hours, just a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm along the sea breeze boundary. And then for our Saturday afternoon, as I mentioned, this frontal boundary kind of be washing out across the region with the best forcing to the south of the region. And then we move into Sunday, we'll have that boundary still across the area. Sunday we'll have more upper level cloudiness across the region, so that will give us more of a mostly cloudy sky as well as a light onshore flow, so it'll be slightly cooler on Sunday than it will be on Saturday. And Sunday we'll have a slight chance of a thunderstorm mainly across the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Looking at our risk chart for today, as I mentioned, we already had a heat index over 100 degrees, so we have a red for this morning. We do have a chance of some pop-up showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Looking at the chances of precipitation, be about 20 to 25%, with a thunderstorm around 15%. Continue to see this chance of seeing a heat index over 100 degrees. Our winds were southwesterly this morning, have turned southerly briefly. So if those winds do continue out of the south for this morning, our heat indexes will be just under 100 degrees for this afternoon. That is why I went with an orange here. Still expecting a high around 89 degrees today, and expecting those winds to turn southwesterly during the late morning into the early afternoon hours. Our low tonight will be around 74 degrees. Best chance of showers and thunderstorms will come after midnight. Looking like the best chance will come from 1 o'clock in the morning on Saturday to 6 a.m. or 1 local to 6 local, and we'll also have a chance of some heavy rainfall with those thunderstorms. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we do have a partly cloudy sky out there. We'll continue to see those partly cloudy skies, a chance of shower and a 15% chance of thunderstorm for the afternoon. We move into the overnight time period, we'll pick up a 20% chance of thunderstorms after 2300 local, and after 1 local Saturday we'll see that 60% chance. And then by Saturday 8 a.m., we'll just see mostly cloudy to overcast skies and a slight chance of a lingering rain shower. Our tides are normal, and looking into Saturday and into Sunday, Saturday to mostly cloudy during the morning with a slight chance of a shower, then partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of an afternoon pop-up shower or thunderstorm along sea breeze boundary, a high of 86 degrees and a yellow for precipitation. Saturday night we'll have partly cloudy skies and seasonable temperatures, a low of 71, and Sunday we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies, seasonable temperatures, a very slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. As I mentioned on Sunday, looks like if those showers and thunderstorms do pop up, they'll probably be in the southern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula, as we'll have an easterly flow, and our high will be around 84 degrees. Looking at the next 7 days, we're going to have a high of 88 degrees today, up to 89 degrees. Looking like showers and thunderstorms will be likely during the overnight time period, a low of 74 degrees for our Saturday morning. And then Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, earlier this week, it looked like we have a decent chance of thunderstorms each of those days. However, the models have shown that the front will wash out across the region, with the best forcing remaining south of our area, so only a slight chance of any thunderstorms or showers across the region during those 3 days, temperatures in the mid-80s. Tuesday we'll have a upper level disturbance trying to move through the region. Looks like chance of showers and thunderstorms throughout the day on Tuesday, and a high of 86 degrees. And then Wednesday and Thursday looks like a Bermuda high pressure will start to build in from the east, and that'll provide us with warmer temperatures in the upper 80s as well as very humid weather. So it'll be a period of unseasonably warm and humid conditions for the middle to end portion of next week, with a possibility of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm on Thursday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.